In this video, I will show you how I migrated my web application from a VPS to cloud computing with Microsoft Azure. Azure is more cost-effective, reliable, and scalable than traditional web hosting. I will be going over how to create a web application and deploy it using a WAR file, as well as how to create a MySQL database and upload your SQL code and data to it. The first step is to create your Microsoft Azure account and access the portal. Create your web application by selecting Web App from the Web and Mobile section. At this point, there are only a few more steps left. Create a name for your web application in the app name box. This will become the URL for your website. You can hide it by pointing to it from your domain. This can be done from the service the domain was purchased from, such as GoDaddy or Google Domains. I'll be running my application on a Tomcat server, so we need to enable that from the application settings. Also, don't forget to select the Java version so we can complete the setup. Now save it, and this will complete the process. If your web application does not require a MySQL database, you can skip ahead to 2 minutes and 45 seconds where I will go over how to deploy the WAR file. The next part of the process is to create the MySQL server. We can find that by searching MySQL under everything. I'm going to use the MySQL database from ClearDB. Now we just create a name for the database and select the pricing. I'm going to use the same resource as before so we can link the web app with the MySQL database. Here we can choose the price and performance for our database. After this, we just click create and wait for the database to deploy, and we will be finished with this step. Now that the web application and MySQL database have been created, I will now deploy my WAR file using FTP. The information we need to connect using FTP is given right in the overview. I will be using CyberDuck to connect. Now I would just input that information into the appropriate fields and we should be good to go. We can now see the files on our server right now, and we want to upload our WAR file to that location right there, as I have done. Now that we have uploaded and deployed our WAR file, we are going to connect to the MySQL database and put in our data and code. I'm going to use the information given in the properties section of the database to connect to it. There are a variety of ways that you can connect to your database, such as myphpAdmin, but I will be using MySQL Workbench. Just click the little plus button next to MySQL connections and input the information given in the database properties section. I will now input the given username and password into the appropriate fields and the connection should work. Now that we have inputted all of the information, I'm going to test the connection, and now that it works, I'm going to put in my SQL code. I have already exported my SQL code and data into a self-contained file, so now I will just copy and paste it in. I went ahead and copy and pasted my SQL code into the query box and executed it. Now the website and database have been fully deployed and are operational. If you'd like to learn more about my website, you can go to hellochurch.org. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please like and share the video and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.